Degol is a diversified company performing door accessories and furniture accessories, including handle, lock, bolt, hinges, and tubes since 2012. Degol located in Jiangmen City with convenience, transportation, and rich resources. Degol grows up the business 30% every year. Degol has gained the rapid growths and continues the dedicate to become a reputable company in hardware field. Up to now, Degol has come to be the trusty supplier to the customers of Europe, North America, and South America. Our associated factory has many professional machines and completed production lines, including cutting workshop, punching workshop, welding workshop, polishing workshop, and assembly workshop. QC inspectors work independently from the production line, which ensure the large capacity of satisfactory quality products. Degol QC strictly control the quality and report to customers. Our sales team is professional, skilled, and trustful. We pay high attention to customers' feedback and solve problems at the limited time. In order to make diversified requirement of different customers, we provide customization services. In addition, we recognize the importance of customers' services and satisfaction, and do all that we can to provide on-time delivery and professional after-sales services. Relatively, we have the powerful sourcing to offer competitive price, perfect products, and outstanding services. Degol is reliable supplier. Welcome to contact us for more business.